dear. So, what's your name, girl?
Zoey.
Okay, how old is Zoe?
3.
Wow. Okay, thanks, Zoe. Hello, great and wonderful friends. Welcome here at Laarni's Kitchen and Food Creations. Let's do some simple cooking. I have here my little girlfriend, my little Beshi named Zoe, and I call her Zoy Zoy. Zoe is a Canadian, Filipino Canadian born, and she's 3 years old. And so Zoe and I will cook. But Zoe, what are we going to cook?
Cookies.
Oh no, we'll do cookies next time. But right now we're going to make hot porridge, okay? So, friends, welcome here at Laarni's Kitchen and Food Creations. We are going to cook hot porridge. And this will be in a sort of rolled oats. So, in other words, this will be oatmeal. So, here you go, friends. This is the oats, oatmeal. So, what shall we do is we have to turn on our flame, and I prepare here hot boiling water. There you go. So we will just eyeball our ingredients. And by the way, friends, when you are going, so I will just add maybe 1.5 cups of hot boiling water and over a medium flame. And we are going to add some fresh milk. So bring it to a boil. So me and Zoe, oh, watch out, Zoe. So, friends, this afternoon, we have a little activity with Zoe. I fondly call her Zoy Zoy. She's beautiful and the daughter of our family friend. And so, I want a company this afternoon. So, I decided me and Zoe will cook oatmeal or what we call rolled oats, and that is gluten free. So once we combine our hot water with milk, then we're going to add our 1 cup. I will just add 1 cup because we will share once it's done. So simply you're going to stir it. Now, wonderful friends, when you are going to have activity with your children or a friend or children of your friends or whoever at their young age, it's nice so they can see the process. They will have an activity in cooking. And Zoe, so are you scared? No, you're okay. So make sure, friends, simple tip that you are going to make sure that the children or the kid or the child. Oh, why are you closing your eyes? It's sparking. Okay, you'll be fine. So make sure they are properly secured. Make sure the children are safety or the child is safety. So away from any harms and dangers. So I make sure that Zoe is good and safety. So she's watching. Right, Zoe Zoe? Yes.
Why not cookie?
Oh, next time we will bake cookie, okay? Next week, sometime next week. You have to come back here with Tita Larnie and we will cook. Wonderful friends here at Larnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. You will learn simple things in the kitchen like cooking and baking. So simply, we have to mix this one until this is done and it will not stick into your cooking pot. So what are the rest of our ingredients, friends? We have here brown sugar and powdered milk. Oh, I love Nido. We have also here some fresh milk. If you don't have Nido or any brand of powdered milk, you can use fresh milk or soya milk or even evaporated milk. What are you eating, Zoy Zoy? Gummy bears?
No, not gummy bears, gummy.
Oh, gummy. Watch, huh? chew it properly. Okay, there you go, friends. It's quite done. So we can always add some sugar, brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use white sugar or even honey, right, Zoe? Okay, so this is done. And then
honey.
what?
Honey.
Oh, you want honey. So Zoe wants to add it with honey. Now, Zoe, would you like to add with with chocolate powder, or which chocolate would you like? The red one or this one?
The blue.
Oh, you like the blue. Okay, we are going to add the blue, which is the chocolate powder. And for me, Zoe, I just like to have it plain like this, white, okay? Nothing at all. There you go. We have to turn it off, friends, and make sure your safety. And when you cook, do not really leave unattended, especially for children. They're around safety. And by the way, before I make this, I asked Jerome if Zoe is allergic to anything. Or any allergy. So that's one thing that I mean, as a mom, I have to make sure that food allergies is well taken care of, because especially nowadays, children are very allergic to not only nuts or peanuts or anything, but some other stuff. And also make sure that Zoe is not what we call lactose intolerance. So lactose intolerance means they cannot have any milk, or if they do have milk, they have to make sure that it is a different type of milk. So some people are allergic to soya milk or fresh milk, but make sure that when you babysit a person, anybody, an adult or children, make sure you have to ask for if they're allergic to anything. Otherwise, you will be in trouble. We don't want to happen. We want safety. I want to have safety whenever I cook, same as with Zoe. So friends, I prepare here 2 bowls, one for Zoe and one for me. So gotta dish out this one. There you go, friends. That's done. Okay, this other bowl. This is for Zoe, Princess. I call her Princess Zoe because she's a beautiful girl. So, Zoe, would you like to have sugar or honey?
I want chocolate.
Oh, yes, we will put chocolate. So, if we will put chocolate, this is sweet already. We will just add a little honey here. Would you like some honey? Okay, you pour honey here. You want to try to pour this one? Not so much, baby. Okay. You try to pour it. It's coming out. It's coming. It's coming. Yay. There you go. A little bit more. Mm-hmm. Okay, beautiful. Okay, then we're going to add some chocolate. There you go. Okay, do you want to mix it? Try to mix it. So this is our hot chocolate porridge. It's hot. Okay, there you go. Thank you. And since the porridge is very, very hot or warm, we're going to cool it down by adding fresh milk. Okay, there you go. And Zoe will stir that. Stir it slowly. Stir, be careful. Stir, more stirring. Good. You're doing good job. Whoa, beautiful. Okay. Okay, Zoe, before we will eat, let's grace the food. We will pray and thank Jesus for giving us food. Can you close your eyes? Jesus, bless our food. Amen.
Amen.
Now, friend, it's my turn. And so I'm going to add that with a little bit of milk and also powdered milk. I want it creamy. Okay, there you go. And I like brown sugar instead of honey. So Zoe wants creamy, so I added a little bit of powdered milk, so it's tasty. Okay, there you go, friends. I'll just add a little bit of brown sugar, not so much, and then we'll try to mix it accordingly. Okay, there you go. I will add a little bit more of milk.
That's for honey, not for milk.
Oh, I don't like honey this time. I like brown sugar. So mix it well until it's well combined.
That's the target of the honey.
Oh, okay. This is the cover. You cover it. Good job, Zoe. Oh.
He makes honey for flowers and stickers down
Oh,
there.
okay. Okay, do you want to start eating? Let it cool first. And wonderful friends, thank you very much for watching La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Till the next time, can you say thank you? Thank you, friends,
Thank you, friends,
for watching
for watching
my beautiful tita.
my beauty for Tita.
I love you.
I love you.
Okay. How is it?
Good.
Good. Mm. So this is my share. Okay. Mm. So while eating, Zoe will watch her Coco Melon
I
show.
want to